Alright, now we're going to install R on Ubuntu. So just go to R, CRAN, download R for Linux, go to Ubuntu, and then Ubuntu 20 is focal. So I'm going to copy this, go to my terminal, and we're going to cd into etc sources. Oh, apt, I think. Oh my god. Which one is it? Apt. apt. And we're going to open up sources.list, sudo. So I have vim. I'm going to use vim. You can use whatever text editor you like. And you want to put that right down here. I've already done it. So if you are doing this in vim, you would type Control-Shift-V, paste it, and then escape :WQ to save it. Okay. So the next thing you need to do is to verify the repository. So come down here to secure apt and then take that value and paste it. Finally, you will scroll up. You'll run sudo apt-get update. Yours will look different than mine because I've already gone through this process. And then you run sudo apt-get install rbase. I've already got it installed, so there's nothing else that I need to do. Okay, thanks.